Ooh. Rusty Rivets, yeah, let's have a look.
Look at the car.
Oh. You assembled them, is it, Daddy?
It is small. It's
Yes,
tiger.
yes, you do.
Dinosaur. Whoa.
Let's have a look, let's have a look. Botasaur, wow. So do you piece it together?
Yeah.
Let's have a look in the bag. What is it? There's another one here too. What's this one?
Tiger. And you do this and then look. Oh my god. The eyes light out.
Oh, it's growling, is it? Oh, is it a saber-tooth one? It's quite sharp teeth, eh?
Yeah.
Tiger Bot is called. Wow. Oh, what else have you found, Bruce? What's this one? It's also rusty.
Rivets.
This one's called Kart Build. Kart Build. Oh!
Another kid.
Yeah, I don't know what's the name of these characters. If you know, let us know in the comments below, okay?
He's Rusty Rivet.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know that. And there's this one as well.
I don't know
Rusty
that.
Build. And this one, which is Flying Rusty Cart.
And that's Rusty Rivet.
Rivet Lab.
And that's Rusty Rivet.
Oh, that's also Rusty Rivet. That's right. Yeah.
And that's Rusty Rivet.
And that's.
Rusty Rivet.
And this is the jetpack.
Hey, Bruce, do you like your rusty rivets?
Yes. I haven't done now.
Yes, you can.
Which one, Bruce?
It's
This one is called Kart Build. Come on in. And this one is Botasaur.
It's the dinosaur.
It is. Woo!
But we need that bit and clip.
We'll cut those bits off.
Yeah.
So this boy is called.
Rusty Rivet.
Okay, I can see some wheels. But 2 of them are on, is it?
Yeah, two.
Okay, what does the manual say? On the inside. Shows how to build the whole thing, is it, Daddy? Let's see what this is doing.
Now, it's one to six. This one.
You're gonna put on the
Wheel. Put the wheels on.
Okay, where does that go? Oh, well done! Wow!
It goes.
Is this the engine?
I think so.
Okay, come on, hold
On the
this.
other end. There.
Cool! Bruce, Daddy's handing you a piece.
I think that's wrong. But
A drill?
it's gonna
Take a piece off. Take that piece off.
then that.
Cool. Oh, I see.
That.
Well, let me see.
It's that.
Ah,
What's the ribbon?
rusty rivet.
Yeah. If he puts it further down, he wouldn't go
Ah,
on the steering wheel. So I would do that.
This is also Rusty Rivets.
Yeah.
Botasaur. Wow, let's open this, Daddy.
I think this needs to be at the back when you put this on.
Is it?
I think it goes like that.
Oh, look, Daddy, look. He's figured out where to put it if you don't want
Like
it.
that.
Okay.
Ah, clever boy.
Okay. This is opened.
Oh. that's right. This one doesn't come with a rusty rivet, even though it's got a seat. Oh, so you can take the whole dinosaur apart, is it?
Looks like it.
Okay.
You just put rusty rivet on the thing and then it stops around.
Yeah, I think so.
So you can do that.
You have to twist it around, is it?
Then you put it on.
Ah. And how does the seat go on?
It goes.
Oh, you've put rusty rivets already in it. Oh.
On the back of his head here, this red button.
You ready, Rusty?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh! Is he not feeling well? Okay, so these are all the parts of the dinosaur, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Bruce, can you do it together now? Put it all together? Show us.
Looks like he has coffee in his hand.
Oh. Clever boy. X.
I think
Oh, it's his tail. What's that flap? What's that?
That's where you put the batteries.
Oh, for the sound, is it?
Yeah.
What batteries does it take?
Little coin sounds.
Okay.
please subscribe to my channel.